They love it when I turn off the bass.
Can't nobody do a job right but me around here.
Took serrated off a
Tell
cook.
you what.
I put on the endurance perk. Give me 7 extra endurance. Well, I'm still leveling it up, but still. Fuse box is on the side of the facility. I tried getting blood donor, but blood donor is the complete opposite direction as security pins, and I ain't giving up security pins.
Yeah. Gee, everybody's just now doing it, bro.
What?
Posting their YouTube videos about Cook.
Which one?
Everybody's playing Cook wrong. Don't blood harvest.
Oh yeah.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Or should I keep trapping ladder, or is that tomorrow? I'll trap ladder actually. Actually, tomorrow. My grandpa's not awake, right? Yeah, he's quiet.
Nah, Grandpa's not awake.
I'm actually glad that you started one.
Started one what?
Like a game.
Alright.
Trying to roll this. Rolling a joint.
I know you around here somewhere. There you are. I got you.
My traps it down.
Yeah, just try to
Should
try to grab some blood if you can.
I'll start harvesting them.
We ain't laying off now. Can't you see
I got
that?
40.
It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you. I promise you that.
Wait, where's your third trap at?
So I did one in do you know what the holding pen is? The holding pen stairs. So I trapped that so I can't get out of the holding pen without
And then
using a bomb
fuse.
squad or thing. And then fuse is trapped, and then I trapped ladder.
You should trap sliding door to slaughterhouse.
Well, which one would you take?
Take the ladder off.
I ain't liking which way this is headed.
Really?
They
Ladder
gotta
was
be
powerful.
around here someplace.
It is, but
Ladder trap's good.
a lot of
but,
people
like,
won't go up ladder if there's a hitchhiker.
Us. He's
Here
talking
you
about
go,
us.
Grandpa.
Yeah, I can only speak from my experiences.
Yeah, bro, literally, if there's a hitchhiker in the game, I don't use ladders.
I can't hear nothing.
Oh, I should Leland Connie right here. Holding pen, holding pen.
Yeah, I see.
You can't hide from me.
I lost that one. Fuck. Yeah, there's one about being a full health Leland. Bro. Ugh. He's gonna walk in my trap. He's gonna walk in my trap. Help, help us. Yeah, you stupid bitch. Your ass. Oh, he barged me. Help me.
I'm nowhere near you. I'm cooked,
Shit.
and
I
I'm
have to risk it like that.
got another one at.
Need to clear my head.
Yeah, Leland's gone now. I'm gonna chase Leland then, cause he's used his barge and he's grapple. Yeah, he's getting stuff now. Is that Connie? Yeah.
I can't think straight with all this crazy.
Anna's over here as well. Connie's marked fucking forever. Anna's over here by Fuse.
I'm fixing to find
Oh, Leland's right there.
sure.
How are you getting together? I lost that. Fuck, he's weak. I stabbed him twice as well in the close encounter. Ugh, you bitch. You don't have barge as well, so you shouldn't be.
Connie's still marked, and I haven't marked her in a while.
How's he won it 3 times in a row?
Sliding door.
I can't hear
Victim's dead,
nothing.
victim's dead. Shit, victim's dead. So we get him?
Just
Victim's
get
dead.
back here. You're only making things worse.
Oh shit, this Leland's gonna keep going in circles.
I'll get
Which one is it? Yeah, ladder. Was it ladder?
Possibility.
Yeah, ladder. They trapped, ladder. I'm leaving them alone, bro.
One's type of holding pen.
I don't know.
Connie's dead.
Oh fuck, the face is in the way. You know, yeah, you check some. I'm gonna deal with Anna then. He's still alive, the trap.
Go!
Yeah, you don't can refuse sometime, man.
Anna's up top over here. She's going
Where?
towards the middle of Grandpa. She's right under Grandpa.
Wait, he just died. Down there.
Hey, what's
Actually, no, I want to take.
She stabbed Grandpa.
He's the way. He's down there. Is that incapacitated?
Stay away from me, you monster!
Yeah, I'm coming home.
Anna's coming down.
Actually, I'm going up then. Alright, yeah, she well.
Anna jumped down the wall.
Yeah, I'm gonna go trap the waste building and see what happens.
Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
Wait, someone's around here. Someone's around here. What's it called? Exterior. Someone's around here. I'm telling you.
And one's in Slaughterhouse.
Sure?
Yep, he just well.
Yeah, there's slaughterhouse. Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty sure they just well down here, which
Keys?
means
Yeah,
Never had
no, they're probably just gonna go and do the what you call 'em? Pressure valve.
Alright, let's go.
Anna's
stuck.
stuck.
Oh yeah, the bug's still in the game. Alright, there is slaughterhouse then. I'm telling you.
Leland's by. Boom. I assume Leland's going to do pressure valve. Yep, he's doing pressure valve right now.
Ah, man, that shit.
Leatherface, kill him right here, man. We're fighting. You could have killed him. You could have killed him. Instead, you just sat there and did nothing, man.
I'm gonna go that Hayden, bro.
One's by battery. He's never mind. He's all the way up there. Never mind.
Yeah, I'm gonna blue in here. Hold
Somebody just got bone scrap up top.
on. Go walk in my trap again. Oh wait, my trap's off? Shit, my trap's off, shit.
Anna's right here. Anna's
Finish him,
going to
finish him!
stab
Liam,
Grandpa
Baba,
in.
Baba, what are you doing, Baba? Baba, you're so shit, you just missed him, bro. You missed the stab. Oh my god. I have to deal with Anna then. I
Haven't seen Julie this whole game. I'm assuming she's probably out by something.
guess she didn't slow us down.
All my locks are good.
I've lost it 5 times to him, bro. I've lost 5 times in one game to this season, bro. He's gonna max strength me, I'm telling you.
No. He probably just knows how to grapple. Like
Help me, A, blah, 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 blah.
you don't grapple if you're low.
Be pro. Dead. Fuck you, Leland.
Yeah, Joey's
Yeah,
about
Joey's
to
in the
escape
slaughterhouse.
right now. And now Joey's about to walk out, most likely.
3 kills, 1 death. Sorry, 3 kills, 1 escape. That's good. That's good. What? Is that open? Yeah, she's open. Yeah, she's open. Cover. She didn't cover battery? Yeah, she didn't cover battery. She didn't cover battery. Shit.
Of course you did.
No, she hasn't done it yet. She hasn't done it. It's still on. It's still on, I think.
Well, you force her down that well, I can kill her.
Wait, I might win this. Oh, no, I didn't win it. Fuck. Shit, a bone scrap. Who has a bone scrap on Julie? Help me.
Nowhere near you. She can't run anywhere, though.
Chasing her.
She's about to jump down the well.
Riz. Yeah, Bubba blocked her. Now she could go.
Oh, she bled out.
Oh, nice. She blew out. Let's go. Full kill. Let's go.
Oh, Bubba grabbed her.
Oh, he's going for it, bro.
Yeah, I got 3,200.
It's the good execution. I haven't seen it from an attacker's point of view. Oh, good okay. Good teammates.
Hey. It's like, man, he's good, man. He's a really good Bubba.
Why am I always the one cleaning up these messes?
I usually play
Tell you what,
Cook, so
goddamn
I'm
kids.
leveling up my Bubba now.
Yeah, I run Scout on my Bubba. I gave up the big swings, man. It's too slow.
Isn't?
Yeah, Scout, bro. When you get Scout to level 3, I mean, trust me, the grind to get it to 3 is crazy. But once you get it to 3, it's insane. You're so fast.
Oh, I got Leland.
Alright. I'm going to lock my 3rd door.
Try to fuck around and
Found out.
Where are you?
And I'll start grabbing some blood. Let me see
can't
what I
wait
get
for
for
the
1
patch
bucket.
tomorrow, dude.
1 bucket, I get 30. Not bad.
What you excited about the patch for, man?
Yeah.
What you looking forward to?
I mean, not stunning the family as much.
Yeah,
The best part,
be getting stuck in them infinite door stuns.
dude. I got hit by that today, and it was just fucking awful. Like I just straight up DC'd. I couldn't.
There was somebody near me. Somebody was near me somewhere.
Yeah, someone came up the tool storage shed, and I'm trying to figure out where they're at.
Oh, somebody was at this door. That was you.
Yeah, that's me.
I was about to say, damn, they got picked that lock quick as fuck.
I've seen a couple low levels too.
I knew
So
you ran.
Alright, bottom bone room. Connie, I believe that is. I need 1 more bucket and all. Bro, oh my god, is that fresh on there? Hey Anna, how you doing, girl?
I can't hear nothing.
Anna's right there.
she going through the side crack.
On it.
2.
I got her when she come back around this way.
Hit her a little bit.
She did.
She did.
Over there.
Nice.
Would you put your trap inside?
Yeah.
Fight over here.
I got enough blood to
my
feed
boy.
Granny.
I'm trying.
Oh. Yeah, I'm taking this blood harvest stuff off.
It ain't it.
One's in slaughterhouse. One's in slaughterhouse. Oh, never mind. No, he's right here, right here. Connie chilling, you know what I'm saying? She chilling. She chilling. I don't know why she's not moving, but she's chilling right now.
You don't see it. You don't see it. Oh, they both are right here. Oh, no.
Yo, Hitchhiker, I'm gonna need your build after this, man.
She should. Connie's dead, GG's.
Connie just gave up Julie. She's
Yeah,
so
I would be
sad.
pissed. And they're in the same team, too. I'd be so hot. Connie. Or Julie, you need to be yelling at Connie right now. I know you're yelling at her. Oh, my voice chat ain't working.
Yo, Connie.
Nah,
or
we
Julie,
good, bro.
really
I
right
ain't
there,
even mad.
Hell,
I ain't even mad at her.
she got marked. She let me mark her and then ran right into you, man. That's crazy.
Hey, it's cool.
That's
We all
GG's,
gotta learn
GG's.
somehow.